Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio in Canva without copyright issues. So first open Canva project, and then just go to the left panel and scroll down until you find the audio tab. Now here you can see the list of audio tracks available. There are royalty free and copyright free music that you can use safely. You can explore many audio tracks. There are some of audios are only available if you have Canva Pro, but if you will see a music free tab at the top. So once you click on that, you will see there are a list of audio tracks we can use for free. So select any of this audio and then you have to just drag it and drop onto your video timeline. If you want to upload your own audio, make sure it's copyright free, like music you created yourself or downloaded from a free music site. Just go to the upload tabs here. Here you will see the audio option, and here you will have your list of audio tracks that you have downloaded. Once you add the song to your video, you just have to click on the play button to preview it, and that's it. You have just added an audio track into your Canva video without any copyright issues. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.